Dixie, that's a crazy harness that you're wearing. What are you out here doing today?
I guess I'm jumping out of planes.
You guess. You're definitely jumping out of an airplane. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you nervous? Okay, good. So it's just me then.
Yeah.
Right on. We're gonna get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 120 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words or final confessions for any friends or family who might watch this video?
What happens here stays here.
All right, we'll keep the video, burn the computer, throw the tablet in the river.
Right.
Right on, Dixie. Let's go have some fun.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready or not.
Ready as you'll ever be, right? All right, strike us a pose. All right, boys, get a few photos of all of you guys together. Alright, Dixie, you just went skydiving. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Did you like it?
I'm so shaky now.
Yeah, that's that adrenaline. You got a good shot.
Awesome. That was amazing. Beautiful, beautiful view.
Can you do it again?
We'll see.
Yes, we'll see. Well, thanks for
Yeah, that was
skydiving.
awesome. Thank you guys.
You are most welcome. Thanks for jumping with us to Skydive Colorado Springs.
Thank you.